Would you mind if I took
Sure,
the flashlight?
take it.
Okay.
Go for it.
Thanks.
You know, this along this wall right here is where the two roofs do this.
Right. Yeah, I see
It's
this.
not a good thing, but
Oh, I see. There's that structural beam there.
yeah. Which means this wall right here can be gone.
What's that?
That thing can be knocked out.
Right. Yeah. That's. I'm sure that just put up as a temporary thing.
That one's wired shut for security reasons.
Uh huh.
Here.
Oh, I see. There's a. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, there is a way upstairs, but these stairs are really rotted
Well,
out.
yeah, but upstairs just goes on the top.
Yeah. There's no. I'm assuming there's no way to actually get on the roof from here, is there? From the inside?
No.
Okay. I didn't.
Well, I say no, as far as I know, no.
Okay.
I'm just a reader.
No, I understand.
Here, and there's a light in here too.
All right. It's amazing what water does.
Yeah. And I think if a person were to tear all this out,
That's what I would do.
it
I would
looks
rip everything
I
out.
know, it looks to me like there's a roof on top of the front that slopes north to south like the ones in the back. I could be wrong.
It's hard to tell because there's like an old drop ceiling,
Yeah.
and then there's the newer one. So this is about a 7,000 square foot building here in Muskogee, Oklahoma. It's kind of right on the main drag. It's I forget what they're asking for. It's pretty cheap, but as usual.
Bring me your flashlight.
Oh.
There's a hole up here.
Oh, okay.
Right through, no, right
Oh, I
through
see.
there. There
Okay.
you go.
It seems to be a continuation
Yes.
of this. Yeah.
Yeah. All the AC units are on the roof. Don't have a clue if they work. Sure they did at one point.
See, I can tell someone's patched that up from the outside.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I haven't quite figured that roof out.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was a paint booth. But see, it looks almost like,
Like I say, there were two people that owned it. And one of the people bought the other person out, and he's the guy that had possession of it, stored his car in
All right, great, thank you. I'm
Sure.
gonna leave that back. Do you know anything about the zoning, what this is zoned for, or?
Well, I guarantee you, zoned it for, I think it's C2, which is kind of like heavy commercial.
Okay,
I mean, you can store cars in it, I don't think that's a problem. It was a heavy manufacturing facility
okay,
for a while. Here's all the electric over here, there's tons of electric. It's all painted black or something.
it makes me think somebody tried to make it like a theater or something because
Well,
it's black
I'm gonna
with,
tell you, that's
with,
probably correct.
what, I mean, that's the only reason you would do that, I would think, is to make it kind of like a theater type thing, but, okay. All right, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna walk toward the front for a minute.
I'm gonna look down the alley,
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that too, actually.
see if there's another, I think there's another building where the movie screen is. I could be wrong.
It looks pretty sealed up back here.
We never, ever has it ever been broken into.
Well, that's good.
This is an alley, so you can drive down.
So I'm assuming that this building stops right here then. This is the official end, and then this is
I'll be honest with you,
someone else's property?
never walked down here, but yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Kind of wanting to hold back to keep somebody from slipping in the door.
All right,
Yeah.
well, there you have it.
Right here.